If you own a condo in Massachusetts, whether it's in a high-rise in Seaport, a converted brownstone in the South End, or a triple-decker that's been converted in Dorchester or Somerville, you need condo insurance. And here is what most Bay State condo owners don't understand. Your condo association's insurance does not cover everything, not even close. And today I'm going to explain exactly how Massachusetts condo insurance works, what your association covers, and what you need to cover yourself. I'm Carlos Vargas, the founder of Vargas Vargas Insurance, and we've helped Massachusetts condo owners protect their investments for years. Condo insurance is more complicated than homeowners insurance because there are two policies involved. Your condo association's master policy and your individual owner's policy, also known as an HO6 policy. The master policy covers the building structure and common areas, the roof, the exterior walls, the hallways, the lobby, the parking garage. Your condo fees pay for this coverage. Your HO6 policy covers everything inside your unit, your personal belongings, the interior walls, cabinets, your flooring, your fixtures. It also provides liability coverage if someone gets injured in your unit. The tricky part is figuring out where the master policy ends and your responsibility begins. And in Massachusetts, this varies by building and by how your condo documents are written. Some associations have all-in coverage that includes interior walls, fixtures, and built-in items. Most fall somewhere between walls-in coverage. And if you don't understand what your association covers, you could have gaps. Things you think are covered that actually are not. Let me walk you through what a Massachusetts HO6 policy typically covers. First, your personal property coverage. This protects your belongings, furniture, electronics, clothing, kitchenware, everything that you own inside your unit. If a fire destroys your possessions or pipe bursts and damages them, your personal property coverage pays to replace them. Second, the interior structure. Depending on your master policy, you may need coverage for interior walls, flooring, kitchen cabinets, and built-in appliances. This is sometimes called dwelling coverage or building property coverage under an HO6. Third, liability coverage. If someone gets injured inside your unit and sues you, the liability portion of your policy pays for your legal defense and any judgments against you. This also covers damage you accidentally caused to other units, like if your washing machine leaks and damages the unit below you. Fourth, loss of use coverage. If your unit becomes uninhabitable due to covered losses, say a fire or major water damage, loss of use coverage pays for your temporary housing while repairs are made. In expensive Massachusetts markets like Boston and Cambridge, this coverage can be worth thousands of dollars. Fifth, loss assessment coverage. This is critical for Massachusetts condo owners, and I'll do a deeper dive on this in a later video. If your condo association faces a major loss and assesses each unit owner to cover the deductible or uninsured portion, loss assessment coverage helps pay your share. So let me explain why being a condo owner in Massachusetts comes with some specific challenges. First, property values are high. The median condo price in Boston is over $600,000. Cambridge, Somerville, and Brookline are much more expensive. And other communities like Brockton, Stoughton, Easton, or Worcester have seen significant price increases. High values mean you have more at stake and need adequate coverage. Second, many Massachusetts condos are conversions. That beautiful condo is a converted Victorian or triple-decker. It was not built as a condo, it was converted often decades ago. Conversions have unique issues: shared systems, irregular layouts, older infrastructure that creates coverage complications. Third, older buildings mean older problems. A condo in a building from 1900 has a different risk than a new construction high-rise. Old wiring, old plumbing, lead paint if pre-1978 buildings, aging heating systems, all of which affect your insurance needs. Fourth, Massachusetts weather creates exposure. Nor'easters can cause roof damage that leads to water intrusion into units. Ice dams form and cause interior water damage. Pipes freeze and cold snaps. Winter in Massachusetts is hard on buildings, including condos. Fifth, the master policy complexity. Massachusetts condos operate under Chapter 183A, the Massachusetts Condo Act. And every association has its own master deed and condo documents. And understanding what your specific association covers requires reading these documents carefully. Condo insurance is generally less expensive than homeowners insurance because you are not insuring the entire structure, just your unit, interior, and belongings. For a typical Massachusetts condo owner, an HO6 policy might cost between $300 and $800 a year, depending on your coverage limits, the building's age and construction, your deductible, your location. In higher value condos with more personal property and higher liability limits, premiums can be higher. A luxury condo in the Seaport, South End, or Back Bay with significant interior upgrades, valuable belongings might cost more to insure appropriately. The cost is almost always reasonable compared to what you're protecting: your home, your belongings, your financial security, security if something goes wrong. So that is the foundation of Massachusetts condo insurance. Your association's master policy covers part of the building. Your HO6 policy covers your unit interior belongings and your liability. The two work together, and understanding where one ends and one begins is crucial. And in the next video, I'm going to cover what condo insurance does not cover, the exclusions, the gaps that catch Massachusetts condo owners off guard. I'll link that video right here. And if you want to review your current coverage, make sure that you're properly protected. There is a link in the description of this video for a free coverage review. I'm Carlos Vargas from Vargas Insurance, and remember, stay informed and stay properly protected. I'll see you in the next video.